Look, man, I'm serious, okay? I saw this with my own eyes.
Oh, I believe you, buddy. I believe you. Just tell us a story. Tell us a story.
Okay, well, it was last Friday night. I was walking home from the bar, and this woman started coming towards me. She was staggering, you know, so I figured she was drunk.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, tell us, be honest now. How many drinks did you have?
No, man, I barely had a buzz on.
Oh, come on.
Look, just listen, all right? She got closer, and I got a good look at her. You had to see her eyes, her nose, her whole face. It looked like it was rotting.
Yeah.
She looked like a corpse, like a walking corpse, man.
Hello, hello. Nakomment pala ako. Let's go. Resident Evil 2. Try. Mm.
Sounds like my wife.
I've never seen anything like it. I haven't been able to sleep since that night.
All right, calm down, buddy. Calm down. Just, hey, you gotta stay strong, okay? Don't give in to fear out there, right?
Yeah, well, you got that right. If you freeze up around these things, they'll sink to pieces.
Come on. Just getting good.
Eesh.
I need some
Oh
sleep.
no.
Oh, shit.
Bangga yarn. Ooh. Ayan na.
What do I do? What am I gonna do?
Hi, Mama. Leon, Leon. Hello, hello, Mama. Shower out. Going to try this. I borrowed it. Just borrow. Too scared for this to
No one's
buy.
around.
No one's around.
That's weird.
Yee. Let's go. Ooh, blood, blood. Not a good sign. Explore surroundings. Look around. Sensitivity is okay. WASD. Okay. Shift run. Yep. Yee, it's creepy. Scary, scary. Don't wanna go. Don't wanna go in there. Don't wanna go in there.
Hello? Anybody there?
Don't wanna go in there.
Something's not right.
Yeah, something's not right. Pupunta ka pa. Wait. Check natin. Graphics. Ah, tama naman. Medium. quality. Balance lang. High. On. Medium high. Bloom. Lens flare. Motion blur. Lens. Saan yung ano? Okay. Okay. Let's go. I'm scared, man. I'm scared. Ba't ganon? Ang pangit. Teka. Graphics. Quality. I'm scared. La 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 la.
You
La,
alright?
nakagat na siya. Nakagat na
Don't move.
siya.
I'll be back for you.
Oh no. Lo, ayoko dito. Ayoko pumunta, B. Ayoko dito. Ayaw. Nakaban ako, be. Sige na nga. Let's go. Let's G. Let's G. Ayun na.
Stop moving.
Officer, you need help?
Stay back,
Ayun
sir. I
na.
got this.
Kakagatin na. Rawr. Yammers. Ayun na. Ayun na. Yummy. Ew. Nyam. Beef steak.
Freeze!
Freeze.
I'll shoot!
Loyo. 1, 2. Lo. 3. Ano tong sensitivity na to? Wait lang. Sensitivity. Nasa sense? Controller sensitivity. Normal when aiming. Ba't ganon? Wait lang. I'm scared, man. I'm scared. Run. Run to your back.
Hey,
Ba-
what are you doing?
Huh? The fuck you mean? Oh, ay sorry po. Ayoko na. Ba't ayaw? Ba't di ako makaalis? Guys? Ay. Okay. Key. Ayaw ko na talaga. Ayaw ko na. Ayoko na, B. Key. Key to, diba? Ba't di ako makaalis? Ba't di ako makagalis? Key. Okay. Tab. Examine. Key. Okay. Ayaw ko na. La, ba't tayo pa rin? Ano makaka makaalis. Lo! Lo!
Son of a bitch.
Oh no! Oh no! Mamatay ka na, please. Mamatay ka na, please. Ano tong sensitivity na to? Shout out, LV. Una pa lang natatakot na ako. Hindi ako makalabas. Paano to? Ubus na agad yung bala ko. 3 na lang. Tama naman. Nasaan? 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 3 na lang bala ko. Tab? Ito? Wala ka pa. Kakasimula ko lang. As in, ito yung pinakauna. Ano ba to? Hindi ko nga alam yung controls eh. Tsaka yung sense kong bagal. Sense. Mouse sense. Normal. Yan. Try. Natatakot na ako. Hindi ako makalabas! Paano to? Eto natapos mo na? Saan ba to? Hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Nalock na ako. Andun pa lang ako sa part. Natatakot ako, Gabi. Grabe siya. Ito? Ito? Ay, ano nga. Run for my life! Ay, takbo. Ayan si Claire.
Don't shoot! Get down!
Boom, bagsak. Ay, kinakabahan agad ako.
Yeah, I think so. Thanks.
You can thank me later when we're safe.
Holy shit.
So scared. Scary. Zombie. Ay.
Come on!
Let's go.
Get in!
Get in!
Hold on.
Ito simula pa lang. As in yan, literal na kakaalis lang nila sa gas station. Scary.
What was going on?
I don't know. Hopefully they'll have some answers at the police station.
Wait, you're a cop?
Yeah, Leon Kennedy. You are?
Claire.
Claire
Redfield.
Redfield.
Live around here?
No. Looking for my brother. He's a cop too.
Well, it's a good thing we found each other. I don't know what to expect anymore.
Bata pa ni Leon dito. Yan na. Capcom presents. Kalahati ka na rin sana. Sa part ni Ada. Ayan na, Raccoon City. Kentaro Nakashima. Ano kayang mangyayari sa akin dito? Resident Evil 2.
Attention all citizens. Due to the citywide outbreak, you are advised to take shelter at the Raccoon City Police Station. Free food and medical supplies
Free food? Sana all.
God, this is so unreal.
Police station's not much farther.
Okay.
They'll know something.
Yeah,
Pogi
but
ni Leon?
we're the only ones. What if there's no
No,
survivors?
there's survivors. It's a big city. There has to be.
Okay. Ayan na.
Looks like we're walking from here.
Okay. Walk, walk, walk. Yikesies! Yikesies! Oh no!
More like running.
Yeah,
Yikesies!
good call.
Ah, wait, wait! Oh. Ay, ay, ay.
Leon, we gotta back up. What the?
Oh no! May trap!
Holy shit. There, get out. Get out now!
Yeah. Run, run!
I can't!
Hi!
Hold on!
Wala na! Truck driver! Whoa, whoa! Boom, sabog!
Oh no.
Okay.
Claire! Claire, are you okay?
Yeah!
Yeah!
Alright!
I'm alright!
You!
Ay, hindi. Hindi ako okay.
Can't stay here, it's not safe.
Go on ahead! I'll meet you at the station!
I'll be there.
Lo, ang dami!
This is out of control.
Lo, saan ako pupunta? Lo. Bye! Bye, guys! See you around! Nasaan ako? Yee! Lo, saan ako? Ito? Dito? Lo, umikot lang ako. Ito. Ah! Ah!
It's everybody.
Ay!
They've all turned.
Run. Wala na akong bala, B. Run.
There it is.
Oh, RPD!
Station.
Let's go, RPD! Let's go! Run. Bye! Oh, saan ka pupunta? Nakikipagpatentero ko dito eh. Wee! Oh, yan. Okay. Raccoon Police. RPD. Let's go. Ano yun?
Hello? Is anybody here?
Ano to? Okay. May zombie ba dito? Uy, ano to? Puzzle. Eto. Yun, save. Save muna ako. Okay. Yep. Save. Yun, bala. Thank you. Eto, ano to?
There has to be someone here. Not good.
Not good.
David, Marvin, you there? I found a way out. It's in here.
Bye-bye. Kakagatin na. Ayan na. Kinagat na.
Send reinforcements. East hallway.
Let's find that guy. Ano to? Okay, storage. Map. The map screen is useful for... Ba't di na gumagana yung mouse ko? Okay, okay. Watchman's room. Okay. Watchman's room. Keep out. Oh, hell no. Ano yan? Ayoko dyan. Ano to? Uy, spray. Okay. Ba't parang medyo clunky yung controls ko? To? Ayoko. Ayoko pumasok dyan. Something. Ano to? Puzzle. Something puzzle. Ano to? Layo ko di pumasok dyan. Dito na lang ako. Ang pogi ni Leon. Wait lang. Ang pogi kasi ni Leon. Okay. Walang materials. Supplies. Yun. Ano to? Ammo ba? Tab. Okay. As you take damage. Okay. Examine. Combine? Hindi. Paano move? Okay. Grabe. 9 lang yung bala ko. And plus 12 na siya. Okay. Ayaw pumasok. M. Okay, saan tayo pupunta? So, observation, interrogation, watchman's room. Okay. Saan papunta? Dito? Gusto ko lang tumakbo. Ayoko na. Mukhang doon talaga tayo mapapapunta, guys. Dito? Okay. Ay, wala. So, hindi dito. Ito? Nope. Keep out. Ayoko dito. Ay. Ala, ang dilim. Okay. Nothing bad is gonna happen to me. I think. Oh my god. Ay. Lo, ano yun? Wait lang. 11 minutes pa lang ako, grabe. Okay. Okay, lock from the other side.
You got this.
Yes, you got this, Leon. You got this, Leonie. Ano to? Hold. Hold. Wala naman sigurong zombie dito, no? Zombie. Zombie. Oh. Nasaan na ako? Oh, okay. So, doon talaga ang punta. Zombie. Ay, ayoko. Okay. Wait lang. Wait. Stressing mo ako eh.
I'll get you out! Give me your hand.
Okay.
I got you.
Okay.
Give me your other hand.
Ouch! Yikes. Yummy. Okay. Yummy. Tamang loob. Isaw. Dugo. Yeah. Officer's notebook. Ano to? Ito yung statue. So underground. Question mark. Parking. Okay. Ano to? Puzzle. Ba't kasi may puzzle dito sa police station? Uy, ano yan? Why? Whoa. Jeez. Jesus Christ. Oh my Lord. Bye. So kailangan ko ng crowbar. Saan tayo pupunta? Oh, dito. So watchman's room. Dito tayo pupunta sa train. Sa bathroom. Oh no, I have a bad feeling na maja-jump scare ako. Ayun, may ano. Kunin natin yan. Okay. Jump scare? Okay, no jump scare. Okay. Wala na akong bala. What the hell? Okay. Saan tayo pupunta? So, wala na sa bathroom. Press room. Siguro babalik ulit tayo dito. Okay, let's go. I don't wanna. Yay! Ano yan? Yeah, ano yan? They're everywhere, yeah. Run. Oh no. Lo. Ayoko na. Okay. Ay!
God damn it! Watch out!
You're safe. For now.
Thanks.
Marvin Branagh.
Okay, Marvin.
Leon Kennedy. There was another officer I couldn't...
Here. I'm sure you did what you could, Leon.
Yes, sir.
Does anyone know what started this?
Not a clue. But honestly, all you need to know is that this place will eat you alive if you aren't careful.
Yeah, well, I was supposed to start last week, and I got a call to stay away. I wish I'd come here sooner.
You're here now, Leon. That's all that matters.
Okay, Lieutenant, I'm ready.
Hopefully you'll be able to find a way out of this station. That officer you met earlier, Elliot. He thought this secret passageway might do the trick.
is good news. We can get you to a hospital.
No, no, I am not the priority here.
Lieutenant, I'm not just gonna leave you here.
I'm giving you an order, rookie. You save yourself first. I'd come with you, but I'd just slow you down. Now, you'll need this.
I can't take him.
Stop. And don't make my mistake. If you see one of those things, uniform or not, you do not hesitate. You take it out, or you run. Got it?
Got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Bye. Oof. Combat knife. Ito yung nasa RE4 din eh. Equip on... Okay. Space ready slash... Okay. E. Huh, huh. Okay, okay. So what do? Save natin, save. Hmm. Okay, store. We don't need that. So. Tingnan natin kung may something dito. Ah, so bawal na akong pumunta? Okay. To. Baka mategi na to. Okay. So, aakyat tayo dito. Ano to? Puzzle. Okay. So, ano to? Sa lion. Kaso kailangan ko ng plate. Okay. Kailangan ko ba ng plate? Back. Okay. So, lion, leaf, bird. Lion, leaf, bird. Okay. Okay. So, medallion. Medallion. Okay. Ito. Use. Oh.
Yeah, but the passage isn't open yet.
Okay. nice, nice. E I have a bad feeling about this. Okay. Da, 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 da. E. Ew. Yummers. Kador-dor. Hmm.
Huh? What?
Oh no. Okay, 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 okay. Wala akong... I'm scared, man. Lo. Wait lang. Okay, okay. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Oh no. Okay, ayoko dyan. Ayoko dyan. Okay, 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 okay. Operations room. Okay, office map. Okay. Ano to? Oh no. Oh no. I don't want that. Yay, yay. Lo, ano yun? Pwede ba ako umupo? Yee. Okay, okay. Paano to? Paano to? Saan ako pupunta? Saan ako pupunta? Dapat pala nag-save. Ay, nag-save na nga ako. Okay. Okay, dito. Try mo na. Yee. Sige, busy ka lang dyan. Sige. Sige, magbisi-bisihan ka lang dyan. Okay, busy-busy ka lang dyan. Oh no. Oh, yoy, 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 yoy. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. I don't... Leon S. Kennedy, we're putting you on a very special case. Initials of our first names. Okay. Initial of our first names. Okay. Okay, okay. Cover. Be glad you're not here, rookie. Oh, yeah. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Dito, dito, dito. Yee! Ay, 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 ay. Operations report. It's down to just me and 3 others. Elliot E. Whoa, 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 whoa. Combining things. Gunpowder. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, gunpowder. Okay. Oop, 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 oop. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Yay, 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 yay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. I love melee. I love melee. Okay. Kaso, masisira na siya. Okay. Brana M. MR. 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 D. Ay, hindi. F. F FBP FBP F walang F B walang B F nasa yung B may P okay may P siya B P BP 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 C E C E C E ang ulit aha okay first names kala ko last name okay so M M R M R D M R D M R D M R D huh M R M R E okay M R E walang E huh ito na ang puzzle M D M D R ay ang tagal ko dito E okay okay N E D N E D N E D okay N E D tapos R R R M R M huh nasaan yung isa N hindi R oh okay G R M germs okay okay saan tayo balik dito sa main hall against oh so bawal pa ako okay ay 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 okay stay still man stay still
What the fuck?
language Wow, 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 wow!
What the?
Ang tagal naman ang mamatay nito. Okay. Another puzzle. Okay. Okay, another puzzle. Okay, 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 okay. Hmm. Puzzle, puzzle. Okay, ito. Yan. Dami ko ng... Okay, 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 okay. Mhm. What is the password? Lol. Hi, Mama. Mm. Ah, no, not this one. So I need to look for the code. Okay, let's try this one. Yoy, 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 yoy. What is that sound? Oh my. Okay. Ah, more codes, of course. Oh, yoy, 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 yoy. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Yoy, 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 yoy.
Fuck you.
Okay. Woo! I have 3 bullets. Okay. T 203. 203. Storage terminal memo, spare keys. Okay. Oh, of course. 102. 103. 109. 109. 109. Oh, Jesus. Kochi, Kochi. Kochi, Kochi. What are you doing, man? Okay. Just die,
Son of a
please.
bitch.
Oh, finally. 109. 109. 109. Okay, enter. I need a bullet. Bullet to. Okay. 106. Okay, enter. 106. Oh, ang dami ko ng... Okay. Knife! Ah, damn. I need 102. 203. And 208. Okay. So. Saan pa tayo? Okay. Mimi. Dark room, day magagalit. Okay. I need... Ah! Oh no. Tab. Combine? Oh. Undeveloped roll film. I'm fine. Okay, iwan na natin yan. Okay. Green herb. Yep. Red. Oh, let's save. Save. Nice. Store. Combine. Nice. Pwede pala yun eh. I probably need one only muna. Okay. Okay. Tapos to. Tapos, okay. Okay, use. Okay. This one. Combine. Okay. Storage. Oh, may red herb. May red herb pala dito. Ulit. Load game. Oh no. Load game. Dito. Ta. Then this one. Combine natin to. Store lang isa. Yep. What else? Ano to? Ano to? Libro. Commemorative. So you're the king. Oh, ano to? Oh. Labas tayo. Click. Okay. Ito. Use. Ito. Yep. Siguro save muna natin dito. Store. Yeah. Yan muna. I think. So. Aakyat na tayo. Ano yun? Sige. Oh no. Okay. I need something. Oh no. Dab. Okay, syempre. Yay! Please don't move. Waste of... Okay, ano to? So. Kakatakot naman dito. Mhm. Sige, yolo. Bye. Oh, ano? Oh, ano yan? Okay. Creepy. Key. Okay. Key. Oh no.
What in the...
Ano yun? Okay. Mamma mia. Oh no. Combine? Oh. Combine. Okay. Okay. Let's take this. Mamma mia. Up. Scary. Scary. Ah. Okay, library. Dito muna tayo. Kung ano man anong nandito. Mamma mia. Oh. Dami ko ng bullets. Ibig sabihin, may something dito. Okay. May something dito. Okay. Nice. Detonate. Okay. Nice. Okay. Dito? Kasi... ano yun? Okay.
Leon, it's Marvin. I need you back here ASAP.
Okay.
Are you okay, Marvin?
I've got something to show you. It's important.
Copy that. I'll be right there.
Okay. I'll be right there to guide you. Oh, I have a bad feeling. Okay, bababa dito. So, galing ako doon. Dito pala. Ano yan? Yapot! Waya! Waya! Yawa! Waya! Takbo. Ayoko dyan. Yawa. Ay! Ba't ka bumaba? Ayoko dyan. Nakakaakit ba sila? Paano ako makakababa? Okay. Ay. Okay. So, bababa talaga ako. Sige. Be it. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, so be it. Oh, no. Run. Okay. Okay. Ano to? Aray ko. Ay, may zombie dito. May zombie. Zombie. Ay no, zombie oh. Zombie. Ay, wala pa. Mamala. Bye. Ay. Ay. Ano to? Ah, okay. Okay. Tab E. Mhm. Okay. Nasaan yung first notebook? Ano to? Ay, ano yan? Uy. Horsey. Dami. Oh, okay. Sige. Ayan, sige. Pigi. Lo. Wala na. Okay. Horsey. Horse ka ba? Ito. Fish, scorpion, water. Fish, scorpion, water. Fish, scorpion, water. Ito. Nice. Okay. Gusto nang umalis dito. Saan ako? Hi, Alfie! Yeah! Ayaw magpakita ng face eh. Stressful. Tong larong to. Ito. Ay, hindi ako nakuha doon. Paano ako makakaalis? Okay. Sige. Here goes nothing. Whoa! Okay. Nasaan yung, ano to? Ay, puno na ako. Sige, iwan na lang kita. Ito. Kaso kailangan ko. Dami kong kailangan sa buhay. Combine. Ito na lang. Sige, discard ko na to. Yes. Okay. Wala akong susi. Paano ko babalik? Nakuha ko ba yung item? Okay. Ito pala yung susi. Okay. Yun! I'm safe. Diyos ko, doy. Hindi ko pa nakikita si Mr. X.
There you are. Come here. Take a look.
Yes.
Kakasimula ko lang ulit eh.
You know her?
Yeah.
Si Claire.
Name's Claire. I came into town with her.
Hit and
You
run
get to
lang
that
ako dito
courtyard.
eh.
Through the second floor. East side.
I'm on it. Thanks, Lieutenant.
Thanks, Sultan. Okay. Ito na siguro. Last plate. Baka makita ko na si Mr. X. Good luck talaga sa akin. Save. Iwanan na natin to. Combine natin. Take out, combine. Ano to? Red book? Art object. Oh, okay. Kailangan dun sa king. Nasaan yung king? King. Ay, ito pala. Ito ba yun? Hindi eh. Sige. Sunod natin ay saan tayo pupunta sunod? Hindi ako napunta sa records room. Pero masyado na akong takot eh. Save. Okay. Punta na tayo dito. Dito ba yan? Hindi. Let's go. Ay, medyo mahina, Mike. Hi, hi, hi. Baka kasi pag sobrang lapit, maano ako eh. Oh, herb. Sige, dyan ka lang muna, herb. Chilling ka lang muna. Being chilling. Meron na naman tong code. Guide pamphlet. Yeah. Okay, sige lang. Ito na naman tayo. Makikipagsapalaran na naman. Makikipagsapalaran na naman sa life. Ay! Ano yun? Sige, take ko na to. Baka kung anong gano'n. Cool.
Leon?
Leon?
Claire! Hold on! I'll be right there!
Okay.
Ayun na. Lumiyab siya.
Claire! It's so nice to
Lang,
see you.
naglandian
How
pa.
you doing? Helicopter just came out of
Yeah.
nowhere.
I'm in one piece.
I'm
Ay!
guessing you don't have a key in one of those fancy pockets?
Unfortunately, no. But how are you doing?
Laglag naman si
You know,
Claire.
just surviving.
That's good.
Yeah.
Any luck with your brother?
No, not yet.
There,
Okay.
don't lose hope. I'm sure we're gonna find him.
Yun, sumabog na.
Damn it. You know what that means?
Yeah,
Trouble.
dinner time.
Claire, I think you should go.
Don't worry about me, Leon. You take care of yourself.
Claire, you need to go. Now!
Okay, let's get through this. Both of us.
Yep. Will do. Bye. Ciao.
Marvin, I've got a situation here.
Ay, nako. Ay, na. Okay. It's time to get
Surrounded by
rid of this.
zombies. Marvin, do you
Okay.
copy?
Yep.
Marvin!
Nako, zombie na si
Damn it.
Marvin. Okay. Use. Ay, hindi. Ito yung... Nasaan na ako? Okay. Fire escape. Bathroom. Puntahan nga natin si Marvin. Ito? Ah, yan. Use. Okay. Ano to? Ayaw ko. Ano to? Ah, puno na ako. Puno pa buhay ko. Yan. Yan, sige. Yan, thanks. Ano to? Ah! Wait. Ito, use. Ano na? Ay. Ano pang kailangan kong gawin? Ay. Anong kailangan kong gawin? Ang daming herb. Ay. Ito, saan to? Ay. Ay, corner ako. Ay. Ay. Nyamers. Okay na. Okay na. Happy, happy? Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Flashbang. Ah, dami naman! Kulang ako sa... Cancel mo na, cancel. Kulang ako sa sasa. Electrical part. Okay, okay. Ano to? Ano to? Combine. Oh, shotgun. Ibig sabihin may shotgun? Okay. Okay. Ay, 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 ay. Ayoko dyan. Ayaw. Ayaw, ayaw. Ayaw. Ang dami. Diyos ko, Lord. Diyos ko, Lord. Okay. Um. Hmm. Hmm, 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 hmm. Okay, okay, okay. Okay na, okay na, okay na. Ay, 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 ay. Sige, sige na, sige na. Sige na, kayo na, kayo na. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Sige na, kayo na ang bahala sa buhay nyo. Bahala na kayo sa buhay nyo. Ay. Puno ang buhay ko. Ay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay, okay. Ito? Ano to? Press conference room. Ano to? Okay, ang dami ko ng bala. Okay, okay. Ano pang kailangan ko? Ay, ang dami. Ano na? Ano to? Shit! Sinundan nila ako. Bye! Bye, bye, bye! Sayonara! Ah! Ah! Hindi ko pa tapos yung RE3. Hindi ko pa na... Ano... Ay, 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 ay! Ay, 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 ay! Okay, saan ako pupunta? Wait lang. Wait lang, time first, time first. Saan ako pupunta? Ang dami! Ang dami, ang dami, ang dami. Ang dami. Ayaw ko. Ayaw, ayaw, ayaw. Saan ako pupunta? Saan ako pupunta? Dito? Okay. Pikot lang ako. Saan ako pupunta? Babalik ba ako? Okay. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Ito. Kailangan ko. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Naku, feeling ko zombie na si Marvin. Marvin! Uy, zombie ka na?
Still
Ay,
alive.
alive pa siya. Okay. So, madami ko na iwang supplies. Siguro, use ko muna to. Okay, okay. Okay. Shotgun. Since wala pa naman akong shotgun. Okay. Save muna, save. Saan nga ulit? Interrogation. Paano ako pupunta doon? Interrogation. Watchman's room. Okay. Babalik talaga ako. Oh no. Okay. iwan dito? Ah, okay. Okay. Yee! Sino ka dyan? Sino ka? Kailangan ko munang makuha tong mga to. 3? Okay. Okay. Don't look back. Okay. Ano yun? Hindi ko pa nakukuha. Ito, herb. Mamaya, madami na naman akong... Sige, mamaya na yung herb. Oh, jeez! Oh. Hi! Nakaka-bad trip ka. Ay. Gulat mo si Ineng. Ito, lagi ka na ba? Okay. So, wala na dito. Lagyan na lang natin ng barricade. Okay. Saan ako dadaan? Bathroom. Press conference. Paano ko? Siguro babalik ako sa escape. Fire escape. Okay. Scary. Pag nandito na si Mr. X, iiyak ako. Nasaan ako? Okay. Waiting room. Ay, nakakatakot naman ito. Oh, sige, hala, sige. Roar! Please, don't me. Okay. Herb. Combine. Okay, ano pang kailangan ko sa buhay? Hindi dito. Ano kayang code nito? Hindi ko alam eh. Ay! Ay! Sakit na sa puso nito. Wow. Weapons locker keycard. Okay. K that. La, feeling ko nandito na si Mr. X. Hala, parang nakalimutan ko yung libro. Babalik ako. Saan pa ba may yung libro? Okay. Hindi to? Ay, sige lang. Wala akong libro. Nakalimutan ko yung libro. Ay. Ayoko lumabas. Please. Umalis na kayo sa paningin ka. Umalis na kayo sa paningin. Ay, sige lang. Sige. Okay. Ano to? May something. Oh, bala. Okay. Bye. Bye. Ay, mali pala daan ko. Dito. Storage. Punta tayo sa storage. Ah, sakit na sa puso nitong larong to. Okay. So, take out siguro kailangan gamitin tong i-spray. Okay. Okay. Save muna. Mga lahat. Okay, ito na naman tayo. Sige. Lika dito. Sige, hala. Ah. Ay. Ay, stressful. Okay, use this. Okay. Spectre. Feeling ko nandito na si Mr. X. Okay. Examine. Space. Oh! Ang ibig sabihin nito. May treasure ba? Treasure! Ay, hindi. Kailangan ko ng lift eh. So, may kulang pa ako sa life. Ay. Ayoko sa'yo, men. Lubayan mo ako. Ito, ano to? Ah, dito na pala ako, God. Nasa taas. So. Detective Brana. Hindi ba to? Use? Hindi. Okay. San pa? Saan pa kulang ko? Ah, records room. Sige, puntahan na natin to. Mamma mia! Okay, records room to. KKK. Records room ba to? Hindi. Eto. Ay? Bawal? So, operations room. Pero bawal ako umakyat sa operations. So, dun talaga. Ligaw na ako, madam. Yeah. Sige lang. Ay! Sino ka? Wow. F? Tama ba? Nasa tamang daan ba ako? Okay. Ano yun? Oh my! Feeling ko nandito si Mr. X. Mr. Exis. Exis, Exis. Ang tahimik masyado dito. C4. Nah, dito. Di pa to. Waiting room. Okay. Uy, ay, ay. Ang tahimik. Ayoko nito. Mas gusto ko pang... Lo, ano yun? Oh. Dami namang code nito. Ano to? B... Discarding keycards. Written on it. Detonate. Ito na naman tayo sa puzzle. Guide pamphlet. Operations. De. Man, is this fun? I need some music for this. May something ba dito? Hindi pa ako nakakapunta sa records room eh. Tingnan natin. Ang tahimik talaga dito. Ay, Diyos ko doy. Okay. Tapos... Hindi na akong mapakali. Okay. Ay, ay, ay! Bro. Yay. Okay. Okay. Ano to? Masamang hangin yan ah. Masamang hangin. Masamang.
What in God's name?
Okay. Wala na akong... Keycard? Nope. Armory. Okay. KKK. Saan ako? Stars. Okay. Shotgun. Feeling ko magkaka-shotgun ako. I'm fine. Okay. Ano to? Battery. office, 1F. Okay. Left 9, right 15, left 7. Okay. You got it. Wait, kukunin ko muna yung mga kailangan ko dito. Ito? Magnum ba yun? So, may kailangan ako. Insert USB. USB. Dami ko naiiwan dito ah. USB. Okay. Ay, freaky dicky! Oh, shucksies. Okay, babalik na ako. Bye. Babalik na ako. I'm so sorry for disturbing you. Oh, yeah. Kalimutan ko. Meron pa palang... Okay. Okay. So, punta tayo sa... Okay, dandahan lang. Oh. Hi. Bawal ba mag-sneak dito? Bawal mag-sneak. Okay. Chief's office. Private. Sige. Kochi. Ay. Sige. Kochi. Yan. Alis. Out of my way. Oh, ano to? Oh, so you can't use it. Okay. Western range. Ito? Huh. Dami kong kailangan sa buhay ah. Saan nga yan? West Office. West Office. Story. West Office 1F. Okay, floor 1F. Okay, okay. Mm. Hmm? 1F. Oh no. Bumalik lang ako. Launch 1F. Bayat. Mhm. Get out of my way. Ay, ano ba? You are annoying. Annoying. Annoying na sila. Tindi din ni Leon eh. Okay. Save mo na. Save. Okay. Ito ba yun? Office? West Office. Oh, okay. Ito. West Office. West Office. Scary. Scary. Ano yan? Okay. Left 9, right 15, left 7. 9, 15, 7. 9. 9. Ay, mali. 9, 15, 7. Yun! Storage. Okay. So, ano pang kailangan ko sa buhay? Wala na? Ay, ay, ay. Ito? Records room. Reception. Siguro, save mo na. Save. Tapos, storage. Store. Kasi wala pa naman akong take out. Okay. Okay, okay. Records room. Lo. Sige. Yay, yay, yay. Ay, wala akong key. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ayoko sa inyo. Bye. Okay. records room, operations room. Sige, sige. Oh. Sige, hala. Mhm. Operations room. Ito? Ah, okay. Clip. Clippy, clippy. Okay. Ay, Diyos ko, doy. Nasaan ako? Nasaan ako sa life? Ito na lang. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Ya, ya, ya. Ano nga lang yung kukunin ko? Ah, okay. So, nandito na ako. Okay. Safety. Wala pa rin akong button. Saan ba makakuha yan? 102. Ay, ay, wah, jeez. Tabi. Okay. Detonate natin. So, siguro store mo na to. 1F. Save muna ako, guys. Medyo nahihilo na ako sa kakagalaw. Thanks sa panonood, guys. GG's. GG's. GG's.